Hi everyone, it's Miss McKinney. We're going to do a word work lesson today, focusing on a new sound, R. We're going to start by warming up our ears and listening to some different sounds in words. I'm going to say two words, barn, bone. I hear different middle sounds in those words. Only one of those two words has the R sound. Let's listen to those sounds in those two words, barn. B R N. Bone. B O N. Barn has an R sound in the middle. Bone does not have the R sound. Let's listen to two other words. We're going to be listening for the R sound. Shack, shark. Sh-ack. Sh-ark. Shark has the R sound in the middle. I'm going to do two more and then I want you guys to help me with some more. Listen to these two words. Bark, bake. B-ark. B-ache. I hear the R sound in the middle of the word bark. Now, I'm going to say two words and you all are going to tell me which word has the R sound in the middle. If you need to, make sure that you tap out those sounds so that you can hear all the sounds in the word. The first two words are arm, aim. Which word has the R sound? Arm, aim. That's right, arm has the R sound. It's actually the first sound in that word. Here are two more. Listen carefully for the R sound. Pat, part. Which one has R? Pat, part. That's right, part has the R sound. Listen to these two words. J, jar. Which one has the R sound? J, jar. Jar has the last sound in jar is R. March, make. Which one has the R sound? March, make. March has the R sound in the middle. We're going to do a couple more. Listen to these two words. Art, ate. Which one has the R sound? Art, ate. Art has the first sound, R. All right, we're going to do one more set of words. Harp, hope. Which one has the R sound? Harp, hope. Harp has the R sound in the middle. Very good. All right. Now, this is the star card. Okay. The sounds at the end of the word star is R. Listen, star, st-r. When the vowel A is followed by the letter R, the R changes the sound of the A. Together, A and R say R. Say the sounds with me. R. Again, R. Now, I'm going to practice writing R a few times on my board. And I want you all to use your finger to trace with me as I write the letters and say the sound. Okay? R. R. Make sure you're tracing the letters with me. R. Very good. Let's say R, R, R. We're going to do some more practice with this sound. Watch me as I write some letters on my board. Say the sounds of the individual letters first. F says A-R, R. R, far. M says so we have arm, farm. What's the word? Farm. Very good. A-R, what's the sound? R. M says let's blend them. R, arm. What's the word? Arm. Y says Y. R. D says D. Yard. What's our word? Yard. Yard. Good job. L. O. A-R. R. R. J. Remember, the G makes a soft J sound when it has an E or an I after it, and a Y. Let's say these sounds together. L, R, J. Large. What's the word? Large. Very good. We're going to do one more, and then we're going to read some words on the chart. S, t. Blend those together. What sounds do you hear? St. Very good. What's the sound? R. T. Let's say the sounds. St. Art. Start. What's this word? Start. Very good. All right. Now, I'd like for you to look at the words that I have on the chart behind me, and we're going to practice reading them. The first line we're going to do together, where we say the sounds together and then we blend them. And then you guys are going to do some on your own. Let's start right here. I see A-R, so I'm going to read R. Blend it. Art. Art. D. R. K. D. Ark. Dark. Good job. Read the sounds with me. B. R. N. Barn. What's this word? Barn. K. R. D. K. Ard. Card. And one more on this line. R. D. Hard. Hard. Do you see any words on that line that rhyme with each other? Remember, they rhyme if they have the same ending sounds. Did you see these two right here? Card and hard. They both end with ard. All right. On this line, I'm not going to say the sounds. I'm going to point to the letters, and you're going to say the sounds, and then we'll blend them together. So as I point, say the sound. Arm. Harm. Very good. Pay very close attention to this word. Say the sounds. Sharp. Sharp. Good job. Scarf. Scarf. Excellent job. Okay, read. Charge. Charge. art, chart. Very good. I want you to pay attention to this word here. It does not have an AR sound in it, but I did put it up here so that you could see how the sound of the A changes when we add the R to it. So let's say these sounds together. A, ch, match. That word is match. The A says ah. Now I want you to look right here in this word. The A has an R with it, so the sound is going to change. Arch, march. The A in this word was influenced or changed by the R, so it says R. This is a word that describes you all. Let's read it together. Art, smart. Very good. Here's another example of a word where it changes when we add the R. Read this word with me. Add, had. The A says ah. In the next word, we add R. So the sound of the A is going to change. Ard, hard. One more word by itself, then we're going to look at some sentences. Art. Let's read just this syllable together. Art. Part. And the Y is going to say E at the end of this word. So we have part-E. Party. All right, help me read some sentences. We're just going to do the first two sentences. I'm going to point to the words, and I want you to read them in your head. And then we're going to read them out loud together. When I get to words and I point to one letter at a time, I want you to say the sound for that letter to yourself. Are you ready to read it with us? All together. A dog started to bark in the dark yard. Let's do it one more time. A dog started to bark in the dark yard. One more. Again, just follow me along. You're going to read, follow along with me. You're going to read these to yourself, and then we're going to read it together. If I do one letter at a time, you're going to sound it out. Pay attention when we read. There is a question mark. So the way that we read it is going to make it sound like a question. Can a shark live in a barn? On a farm? Let's do it one more time, nice and smoothly. Can a shark live in a barn on a farm? Can we answer that question? Could a shark live in a barn on a farm? No, it couldn't. All right. For the next part, boys and girls, I want you to pause the video and get something to write with, a piece of paper and a pencil. We're just going to do some quick dictation sentences. I'll wait while you go get your items. Did you get them? Okay. We're going to say a word together, then we're going to tap the sounds, and then we're going to write it. I'll write it on my board so that way you can check your work. The first word is cart. Say cart. Let's tap those sounds together in the word cart. K, R, T, cart. Write the word cart. You can pause the video while you write. You ready to check? The first sound in the word cart was K. R, 2 letters, remember? And the last sound, K, R, T. You should have C-A-R-T. Check your work and make sure it matches mine. All right? Your next word is barn. Say barn. And let's tap those sounds together. B, R, N, barn. Pause the video while you write the word barn. Are you ready to check? That first sound in barn was B. B, R, N, B, arn, barn. Make sure yours matches mine. And we're going to do one more word. Say the word harm. Let's tap it together. R, M, harm. Pause the video while you write the word harm. Let's check our work. The word was harm. The first sound in harm is R, M, arm, harm. Make sure yours matches mine. I'd like you to find the video that has our decodable to practice the R sound. And then click and listen to that. Read along with me. See you later.